Thank you for showing an interest in GCSE Geography. I'm going to briefly talk you through what the GCSE involves. If you have any further questions, please speak to your geography teachers. We are looking for people who are geographical thinkers, people who question the world around them and are not content with what they see. We want people who are inspired by the world, people who are not afraid to work very hard and that question what they see. We want you to try and strive to understand the complexities of the world. The GCSE involves 3 different papers. Paper 1 is the physical paper. In that paper you look at tectonics, that's earthquakes and volcanoes, you look at extreme weather, you look at climate change, you study ecosystems, rivers and coasts. In paper 2 we look at the human side of geography. It's to do with population, development, globalisation and how we are striving to meet our needs for resources. Paper 3 is much more skills based. This is all to do with field work. You have to go on a residential field trip, so be prepared to do that if you're going to choose the GCSE. And on that field trip, you collect your data for 2 pieces of field work, a human piece of field work and a physical piece of field work. And all of those are examined within paper 3. There are also issues to do with current affairs. You get a pre-release booklet on a topic that we have no idea about in advance, and you'll be tested on your maps. Why choose geography? Universities and employers both really do like geographers because we're multi-skilled. We are good with our knowledge, we're good at applying our skills, investigation, inquiry skills, reading maps, carrying out field work, reading graphs, using numeracy, and we're good at literacy. It's a highly flexible subject. It links very well with other subjects. It's very useful if you're trying to solve some of the bigger issues in society. It involves lots of field work, residential field work in particular, and it counts towards the EBAC. In terms of university subjects, if you look at the number of people who start university courses and then drop out, geography has the lowest dropout rate of any courses in the country. In terms of career opportunities, although the career line is not an obvious one, there are multiple different career paths from geography, and here are just a few. We've got tourism officer, land surveyor, cartographers, GIS, environmental law. We're seeing a huge number of people going into environmental law, water conservation, hydrologists, meteorologists, we've got nature conservation, we've got charity fundraising, coastal engineers and human rights officers. The list is almost endless. We were not able to get some geographers here to talk to you, but I did speak to some of them and I asked them 3 key questions. Is geography GCSE fun? Is it hard? And are you glad you took it? Is it fun? The Year 11 here said that some of the topics are better than others. They like the physical geography and obviously the field trip was very, very fun, but they liked the fact that it was relevant. Is it hard? Well, yes, GCSEs are hard. If you're organised from the beginning, it makes it a lot easier, but please be prepared to write essays in geography. Do not assume that we do not write essays in geography. Are you glad that you took GCSE Geography? It's made me far more interested in the world around me and I'm thinking about studying land economy or environmental law at university because of Geography GCSE. Thanks very much.